Hello everyone, it's Katrin and I'm coming to you today just to give you a fun little exercise, and let me just get started over here. Every year I do the word of the year, but this year actually, let me just show you, Kimberly started the thread, what's your word of 2026? And she asked AI Grimm, her assistant, Aroma, to give her the word of the year. So I'm going to start. I didn't do this. I chose my word of the year already before, just because it came to me actually this morning during the yoga lesson. But let me show you how you can do this. You know me, Katrin, really well. And soon the word, and soon 2026 is starting. Based on what you know, can you come up with a word of the year for me? And then just go ahead and click send. If you want, you could change also down here to maybe another voice, another tone of voice, the creative partner, for example, but you don't have to. So let's see what it comes up with for a moment. Implementation. Oh, that's actually a really good one too. So it came up with the word implementation. So I'm going to post this one. I'm going to actually create a new post over here and going to post this prompt if you would like to use your AI Grimm. And then I also created this one here for you. So word of the year image prompts. And I think we have over 14 image prompts in here. And this is how I would do it, because I would actually put it maybe as a image, or I would print it out maybe, or you can put it as a desktop back image. You could also put it as a phone backdrop image. So anything like this. So let's see. I'm going to choose this one here, and then you hop over to AI Grimm. Let me just make this super small and put it over here. You come over to the image generator, and let me just refresh here because Seth just did an update. You come over here and then you put in the prompt, and you have to put your word of the year in. So I had, for example, power. That's the word of the year, gentle power through self-care. And then you can choose a style still, but I would start out with no style and just click generate image. And then we can also come over here and maybe choose a different one. Maybe we just choose this one here. Come back over to and put this one in and replace your word. Implementation is good too, but I'm just going to choose one word right now. And then you can also click generate. So it comes up with different words, and you might want to play around a little bit on what you like. Let me go up here. So this one, for example, I don't like this one. So this one here would be maybe the one you would choose. Let me just come over here. Okay. So let me just see how this one looks. Yeah, this is cute. So let's just grab this one, copy image, and then come over to Canva, paste the image here, paste, set image as background, and then actually just as a reminder, you can put in whatever you want. So let me just add a little of these ones. So again, the prompts you can play around with and see which one you like. And then as a reminder, if you want to hang something or if you want to do something different, I, for example, took a ton of screenshots of the business itself, and you can add then those screenshots or do something different with them. And then you can actually have your own little image and the power word here or the word of the year here. And then I would actually come back and maybe try even a different one. Let me see. Let's try this one and come back and see how you like, which ones you like actually. And then I'm going to exchange twice power again. And one more time over here. And of course you can also change the prompt itself. I'm going to show you, I'm going to generate this one. And this one I would delete out because I don't like it. And then this one is cute too. It's very similar, but it's a little bit different. I probably, let me just come back here. You could also see if this would work, maybe watercolor. Try watercolor. And then you just go ahead and try around. So I only did the Flux One context. I have not tried Schnell or the Pro, but we can give it a small little try. And here's one where you would copy the image, come back to maybe this one, paste, set as an image as a background. And then you can also copy this one because it has a frame already. Come back down, and maybe you want to go somewhere to an island or do something for your partner or vacation or whatever it is, like just a little small reminder can be really cute. And I could also use then a different screenshot or maybe even the login, something like this, something Sasha created, maybe a little frog. I don't know. So this way you can print it out. You can also resize it in Canva as you wish. And I tried a few different ones, but I just like the idea to have my word in an image somewhere as a little reminder with what maybe is important to you. And you can use these different image prompts I will attach to our post here. And then you can build out from wherever Kimberly started already. So that's basically it. And yeah, I wish you a really wonderful new year coming soon. We will go full steam in 2026. We have a lot that will be coming your way, and I'm super excited. But for now, maybe have some fun and then have a wonderful New Year's in 3 years, in 3 days. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.